If you're here with a bank, please raise your hand. Okay, now keep your hands up. I'm going to ask you 2 more questions. So you're here with a bank, please raise your hand. So now the question is, do you offer internet banking? If you don't, put your hand down. If you don't offer mobile banking, put your hand down. Okay, now do you offer wire transfers? If you keep your hand raised, if you do. Now, do you offer wire transfers via mobile banking? So if some of you do, that's fantastic. Okay, this is what we're going to talk about today. Basically, there are billions of people worldwide that have a cell phone but have no access to financial services. So what we're going to do is talk about how we're going to be creating a single standard to aggregate and to standardize the $400 billion money transfer industry. We believe this is a significant opportunity for banks, primarily because they only have 25% of this business worldwide. Western Union, MoneyGram have less than 20% of it, and the rest of it is a very, very fragmented market. So what we're proposing is that SWIFT has a new product called SWIFT Remit, which, how many of you have heard of SWIFT Remit? Okay, so that's good. They're getting good traction in the market with it. What we're doing with them is we're working with SWIFT Remit to add the mobile wallet component, that last mile, if you will, to get in and out of the mobile wallet itself. So where we are today is we've integrated P2P Cash with one of the leaders in the mobile wallet industry. Our CTO, in fact, is Kenyan, where he spent 3 years integrating the leading mobile wallet, M-Pesa, to the largest brokerage firm in Kenya. So they do huge number of transactions. Philippines, we just signed a contract with them where they have 80 million people using cell phones. Approximately 50 million of them are smart, and they're rapidly handing out mobile wallets to encourage the ability to do transactions with mobile wallet technology. We also have a signed contract with the largest processor in Russia, Cyberplat. We're working on with Citibank into Telcel with close to 250 million subscribers. India and China are right behind, where we're in touch with some of the largest distributors in India, and the 2 largest carriers in China represent 900 million mobile wallet potential. So it's a huge market. Our revenue model is we make money just like Visa. This is a Visa model 50 years after Visa was started. Visa was started to create a standard between all the issuing banks and the retailers who were being bombarded with the banks asking them to take their credit card. And they were all closed loop systems until Visa came along and standardized the situation. We believe we can do the same thing with SWIFT. We make money, again, like Visa in terms of a clearinghouse or interchange fee, and we're also setting up retailers with a mobile wallet that allows them to process any proprietary mobile wallet, because they will be part and parcel of this open architecture. I won't get too much into technology since there's a lot of bankers here, but this is basically the back end, where we are a mobile wallet with the differentiation of having a full-blown ISO 8583 bank switch as part of our infrastructure. So we are a cloud-based clearing system today, working with SWIFT on the next generation 8583, which for those of you who are interested, it's 222. We've got close to $1 million invested in the company today. We've been at this for some time, working with the GSMA, the World Bank, to try to establish these standards. The World Bank is very supportive of us. Cyberplat's the Russian processor we're talking about. Smart is the largest telecommunications company in the Philippines, and we've done the Kenyan hub integration today. We'll have hopefully a Mexican pilot with Citibank and or Telcel by Q2, Q3. We're working with Google and the ISIS wallets as well, because those seem to be the leading wallets here. We're wallet agnostic. We really don't care what wallet the consumer has. Our goal is to act as the clearing and the interchange between wallets, between bank accounts. So in terms of competition, there's only really one other company that we're aware of that's trying to establish a clearinghouse, which is called BICS, which is Belgium Telecom division. And we've had discussions about working together, so we know that there has to be one standard. We're putting more of our apples into the SWIFT Remit product, because obviously there's 10,000 banks already that SWIFT connects to, and it's a relatively easy matter to upgrade to the SWIFT Remit product. The competing mobile wallet providers, most people say, well, you're just another mobile wallet, how do you differentiate? We're not a mobile wallet, we're a clearinghouse of mobile wallets. So we've talked to most of the major mobile wallets. They're all on board with this concept. They know there needs to be one standardized way to clear these transactions worldwide. And of course, our friends at the big processors, They all want to be in this business. They've all announced things along these lines, but we're talking to them about how we can work together. So our go-to-market strategy is give a free wallet if there isn't any. So we're talking to some major prepaid cell phone and money transfer retailers as we speak. I think we just signed a contract yesterday verbally. And what happens is this becomes the feet on the street for the bankers who want to act as the conduit for clearing the funds. So the retailers, not only in the third world countries, but we're basically going after the 50 million unbanked in this country with this free wallet through this distribution channel. And typically, they're selling to the diaspora that sends money back home. So it's a nice match in terms of customer base. P2P Cash acts as a switch or a router. All we need is the cell phone number and how much cash is coming from a trusted agent. Can happen from a credit card or a debit card transaction, can happen online. We don't care, we support all methodologies. Phone number comes to us. In the case of Smart, for instance, we know that we're integrating to them on a private network of their own design. Swift Remit to Philippine National Bank, which is a partner of Swift Remit. And basically, we use the phone number as that routing device. We have a good team. I've been at this for some time. I'm a serial entrepreneur, Harvard MBA, Stanford engineer. Again, I mentioned our CTO and Tom Floor, who is with us over here, as with Morgan Stanley, UBS, and international markets experience. Looking for $5 million. We got 2/3 of it done. Big numbers. And bottom line here is that we believe we can create a worldwide standard with Swift, acting as that last mile, if you will. Cloud solution, it's very fragmented market. Economics 101 says fragmented markets need standardization in order to be profitable. Good management team, we've got contracts, and we've got clients. So thank you all for your time today.